Let's take another example of functions. Now here you have the main function and the test function. In main, you have the variable a, which is initialized to 10. Then you have a function declaration, which says that there is a function called test, which takes in one integer and returns nothing. Then you have a function call, and you have a printf. Now, when you make the call, the control goes here, and the function has a equals a plus 2 and print. Let's see how this program works. Initially, a is 10. This is just the function declaration. Then you make a call to the test function by sending the value of a. This 10 is now copied to this variable a. So here a becomes 10. Then a is incremented by 2, therefore a is 12. And you print the value of a, which is 12. Once this is done, control goes back to the place from where it was called and executes the next statement, which is the printf here. Now when you execute this printf, it's going to display 10 and not 12. Remember, this a is local to main, and this a is local to test. So the compiler is going to treat this a as a totally different entity with this a. Therefore, any changes that you make to a here are not going to get reflected to the a here. So they are actually two separate variables. In fact, what happens in this program is when you call the main function, or when you start with the main function, you have an a. After a certain point of time, you make a call to the test function. So this a value is being held in memory. When test function is called, there's an other a that is created with a different address. You make some modifications to it, which is a plus 2, and then you print it. Once you print it, and once all the statements in the function are done, this a is going to get killed. Control goes back to main. It prints the value of a, and then it exits. Upon exiting, this variable a is killed. So this is what happens in a function.